What's going on? It's your real estate agent Christian Hernandez with Case Real Estate, and today we find ourselves at our newest listing in the West Adams pocket at this freshly remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. So let's take a quick tour before the first showing comes by. So as you guys can see, as soon as you guys walk in, you'll come into the living room. As soon as you come into the living room, the first thing you're gonna notice how high these ceilings are. And this was made this way. And as soon as you look to the right side, you see the living space, the open living space concept that the investors did. And as you can see also, there's plenty of light. And now we'll walk to the kitchen. As soon as you walk to the kitchen, you'll see the workspace, or you can, have a breakfast nook right here. And then you have also a side entrance that leads to the garage. I'll show you guys in a bit. And then once you walk in, okay, as soon as you walk into the hallway, you walk into the first bathroom. And then to the left will be your first bedroom. So you guys can see it's a decent sized bedroom with some closet space too. And then to the right side, you have the second bedroom. Spacious too, with some closet space. The massive bathroom, you guys can see. And this house is listed at $888, and it's located in the prime location of the West Adams pocket. As you guys can see, you guys have the privacy at your backyard too. Let me show you guys the little office space, in case you have to work from home. This garage is made into an office space. You have some parking spaces in the back too. As you guys can see, you guys have the privacy with this taller fence, in case you want to drink your coffee early in the morning. With that being said, if you guys have further questions about this listing, please message me, and I'll link all of my information down in the description. If you guys like this type of content, please comment, like, and subscribe. And before the video ends, I want to showcase a restaurant in the neighborhood, so we're gonna go do that now. I'll see you guys later. What's going on, guys? We're a block away from our listing. We want to show you what this neighborhood has to offer. Today we're at Johnny's, and we're gonna show you what we usually get when we come and eat here. Alright guys, I just got my order in, and what I usually get is check that out, the brisket sandwich. That looks delicious, and I always get the fries too. The fries are a must, especially with the secret sauce. They taste delicious. And if you come here, you have to get the ginger soda. Check out the leaves in there. With that being said, hope you guys have a wealthy day.